Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off instant phone lock using our side key in Samsung Galaxy S22. A long title. So what are we talking about? When there is a delay on our screen to turn on screen lock. For example, if the screen turns off, we can set up a delay that the phone won't lock in this couple of seconds. Right now, when we use our power button, we have the phone is instantly locked. How to change this option? If we want to, we have to go to Settings, Lock Screen, Secure Lock, confirm pattern that we set up, and we have instant lock side key. When we turn it off and we have a delay here, when we use our key, the phone is not locked for a couple of seconds, as you can see. Let's use 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess 6, 7, and let's see. Now our phone is locked. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.